guys, so today is my last day in Shoppertainment and today is our year-end party! So I'm gonna book my Grab. Here's my gift for Camille. One gift for Camille. This one is the gift for everyone. It took me 4 hours just to finish that, wrapping it. Tapos I also have some mini written letters, like handwritten letters for everyone. Tapos this one is like something funny for Camille. And kay Ate Arlene naman na bag. She was asking me for CNK. Cannot. Ouch! Alam nyo, the event would start by 7 and it's around 6:20. Well, my hair is more important. I don't think magsa-start ng on time though, so I'm just gonna take my time and prepare. I'm gonna see you guys later. Hi! Guys, I'm here. Feet check. Here's my gifts. Look at my heel, so it's cute. I'm giving rich tita vibes. Is my makeup pretty? So I should go up. So let's go up. Pinakauna dito, Ishi?
No, hirap.
Grabe naman yan siya. Nag-open na yung mga regalo ko. Here's my Ate Arlene. What can you say? Ganda-ganda mo naman din. Pakita mo yung hair mo. Pakita mo yung hair mo. Wow! Buti ka pa nakakulot. Ako hindi.
Hirapang kong kulutin pa.
Kaya nga eh. Nakasabay ko yung exit ko. Papasok ng elevator. Pero hindi ako sumabay sa kanya. Grabe naman yan! Napakabata mo naman dyan, Mami Jo. Grabe yun! Ang ganda-ganda mo kami!
Hello. Mic test. Para mas malinaw.
Grabe yan, Ivan. Tinginan kami ni Camille kung sino unang kukuha ng crop. Cropet ba ito?
Saan ako na?
Gutom na kasi ako eh.
Ito na, kukuha na ako.
Grabe, may ididilim pa ba ito?
So, throughout the year, so mag-iikot tayo ngayon, and let's ask the question, ano yung mga favorite moments or memories na nangyari here for the past year? Sinara, lakay. Hello.
Nung nag-live po siyang 3 hours.
Paborito mo. Paborito. Kaya ang paborito memories dito ng Cecil, yung nag-live na ako.
Sabi na eh.
What's up, Momo Kang? Walang ako ng process, guys. Okay, let's move on to our live sellers, di ba? Ano yung nilook forward? Ano yung mga memories na yung last year? Dahil ang aga-aga ng mga let's start with...
Hello? Kainis ka.
Hindi na, wala pa yung...
Nag-assault tayo. No? Maraming live.
For the rest of the night. So again, it's dinner time!
Ba't nauna?
Target lock daw to ni Camille. Where's my food? Hindi kami ng food. Gana Hi, Camille. Lo, ano yan? Ano yan?
Next.
Isang photo team card!
Yun! Congratulations!
Galing mo, Marcos!
Baka mouse din yun.
Backtrap daw, backtrap.
Ang liquidate mo daw yung part.
Lahat ng pinasuhin nyo dito ginagawa niya. Ano po? Yes po. Yun lang po.
Nagre-reklamo yan!
Si Marga. Ano para sa kanya? Nagwawali siya tayong umaga? Sakitan lang?
Ay, hindi. Sinod ko yung Giordano mo.
Hindi lang para sa kanya, para sa lahat. General tayo
Quality day sa akin.
Sir ba, sino man nanalo sa inyo ang hukuman? Okay, dapat something that we all can see na dapat Kelly gawin tonight, okay? Go!
Kaya ni Aram umuwi ng Bulacan. Kaya ni Aram hindi huminga ng 5 minutes. Ano? Aram, umuwi ng Bulacan. Ito, kaya niya mag-magic. Hey, ito, wala sa kaya niya. Kaya niya mag-impersonate ng mga tao. Kim Velasquez.
Yan Regine daw, kaso sa height sa play, o yan kasi.
Gano'n ko na.
Yung gamot ko,
Ay, hindi pala ito gamit.
Ayaw sumayaw ni Sir Martin ng water.
Yung mga pinakita mo, kaya bang gawin niya yung lahat? Kaya ka niya mag-magic? Yan na, mag-magic ka. Ilabas mo.
Hindi niya kaya mag-water.
Kaya niya. Kaya niya yan. Ibuhos mo to. Nanalo ka na. Ay, wait, mag-shot ka muna.
Tagal mo naman mag-open.
nails, oh. Ikaw kaya ng...
yung ayaw niya. H&M. Grabe, sobrang tapang nung shot nila. Sarap sa ice cream. Hi guys, mamimigay na kami ng gifts. Thank you. This one is for each Boss Marty! Okay, go, go, go. Parang ako awkward naman nun kami. Ayan. Alright. It's time. Okay. Okay, guys. Hi guys, I'm gonna give my gift. 4 hours ko po itong ginawa, okay? Let's start.
Alright.
Okay. This one is for Ethan. Thank you so much. We also have Captain.
Okay.
We also have. Yeah, you still have. I know. Ate Arlene. Kuya Rob! Kuya Rob! Okay, next one. Camille!
Sorry, arte.
Di ba
Thank you so
to have kasi for tech?
Ay, ang taray mo naman.
Yeah, okay, sure. Who is this? Ate Trisha! Picture kayong dalawa. Okay, picture daw tayong dalawa.
Teka, nagbigay ako ng gift. Bakit wala nagpa-picture sa akin?
Picture daw tayong dalawa. Okay, we also have wala. Ba yung mga taong to wala? Asa si Mami Jo? This one. Jerica! Dito. Pupunta tayo sa tech mamaya, okay?
Okay.
Pati sa PS. Kuya Oliver. Boss Marty. And Marcos. Okay, lilipat tayo ng table.
Oh my God!
Okay guys, since last day ko na sa shower, this would be my last time out ever. Okay, so let's go. Thank you. Sa shower game, and I'm gonna give gifts to our technical team and our PM team. Okay, let's go. Oh my God! Oh, thank you so much! Oh my God! Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're welcome po. Okay, next one, next one.
Okay, okay.
Ang gala sis.
Sino yan?
Cash yan, cash. Cash of Lemon.
Wala na? Dami, ha?
Okay, let's go. Okay, this is yours. Ay, this is yours. Okay, video mo kami, Ate Arlene. Ate Arlene, ano masasabi mo sa camera? Very good. Last message mo for me. Take care. Okay, yung iba is wala na sila.
Yeah, yung iba din sa akin.
Hello, thank you so much.
Hey, wait.
Last message mo. Hello. Good luck sa...
Baka umiyak pa yan, baka umiyak. Oh.
Parang
Sayang.
Advice, hanggang ganun lang siguro. For now. For now. Pero yun, thank you dahil kasama ko kayo.
Yay!
Yun lang ako. Okay, so now, I'm gonna give Camille her gift.
Oh my gosh! Meron pa?
I have it here. It's all yours.
Oh my gosh!
Hindi mo pwedeng buksan yung isa dito.
Nagulat ako. I'm so happy. Grabe na ito talaga. Bubuksan ko ba? Hindi ko bubuksan. Ayoko buksan.
Hindi mo pwedeng buksan yan dito. Delikado sis.
Nagulat ako kasi dalawa siya. Thank you so much, Awel. I love you. And I love you.
Oh,
Kay Bestie.
may champ.
Champion ka talaga doon!
Donate sa akin.
Sige.
Higher! Higher!
Pakita mo champion ka!
Is that for me? Is that for me?
Kay Bestie.
Is that for me?
Is that for me?
Is that for me?
Tagay. Ayan ah. Yay! Congrats!
Tapang.
Tapang no. Oh my gosh! Ano yun? 15 seconds! Sir Marty, any last message for me?
Hello? Huwag ka sana magsaksi sa bago mong work.
Ano daw?
Huwag ka sana magsaksi sa bago mong work. Hindi, kung ano man yung tatakay mong landas outside SLI, sana mag-succeed ka. Sana yung IG ni AZ bigay mo sa akin. Okay? Ingat ka lagi. Love ka ni Secret.
Sinabi? Tawag sinabi?
Mark Heras! Ikaw ba yan, Mark Heras? Mark Heras! Ah! Maayos ba ako? Yeah. We can fly. Mommy Jo, any message for me? Good luck. Yun lang. Sana masaya ka.
Yung mga iwan ka, gano'n.
Okay. Ate Trish, any message for me? I'm going to miss you kasi... Takasan mo! I'm going to miss you because I cannot speak in English without you by my side. Anong nangyayari sa kanya?
When I was 30, pinalitan yung kanta. Pinalitan yung
Turn it up, throw the body like it's the end of the world. We gonna party like it's 2012. Like it's the end of the world.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Mali, iba.
Let's go, guys! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Bading! Makakauwi pa ba yan siya? Kaya siniyakan daw ako ni Dom. Bakit ka umiyak?
Iwan mo na ako eh. Hanap ka bago natin work. Sama tayo ng 2 years naman.
Bakit 2 years lang?
1 year dito eh.
Let's go! Let's go!
Grabe yun!
Grabe na energetic there. First off, thank you sa gift. Second, I love you. Third, thank you because naging friend kita. Like, sinabi mo lahat sa akin. Bad, good. Like, chika. Yung mga chika, syempre yung mga bagay gusto ko. But, tinutulungan niya din ako. Like, mga notes, and everything, lalo na pag mag-live. So, thank you so much. Aww, thank you. Camille, I miss you. Lagi niya sinasabi niya, Camille, I miss you.
Wala nang sinang magsasabi ng sa'yo.
Sabi na gano'n, like, tahimik na ako all day.
Oh, sige. I will miss you, baby girl. I cannot speak in English without you. What's your message for me?
Sa 90 na lang pwede.
Iyak yan, iyak, iyak.
Oo, man.
Ayaw ko sa gabi ni Kuya Marcos.
Ayun na! Uy, maulap, maulap.
You don't know? Are you drunk already or not?
I'm not drunk because I'm not drinking.
So, how about you will like tomorrow?
I cannot do that.
Oh my god! I know the outfit. How much the outfit for today? Seryoso ka ba dyan? Are you drunk? How much the jacket is? How much the jacket?
I did not pay anything.
I didn't pay anything. You're so rich. She's so rich, guys. She's millionaire.
This came from my wardrobe.
Oh my god. She has wardrobe. Like, what the fuck?
Oh my God! Ano? Kasi naman, nagpa-charge ako ng cellphone doon. Okay, sure. Okay, one down, one down. One down.
HR, yung HR po ni Marvin.
Wala, bagsak.
Alam ko na!
Bye, Marga!
Alam ko na!
Guys, FYI na si Marga taga-Cavite.
Nagko-complete.
Guys.
This is gonna be my last time seeing them.
Like, I'm so sad.
How sad are you?
50%.
Guys, kailangan ko ng participation ninyo. Rose. Isa pa para mahina eh. Asan si Rose? Okay, alin na dito Rose.
Bye, Turon!
Mag-uumay na yan! Mag-uumay na yan!
Tungkol saan yung tula ni Rose? About turon or lechon lang?
Turon! Turon!
Ayan, turon. Sige, magtula ka about turon na parang si Queen Yasmin. Ito na rin. Lagi ko na turon. Lagi sold out ka. Bow.
Hindi ko na-guess.
Lagi suot ito yung turon niya.
Ayan, tinatawag here.
Oh my gosh. Can I have some air?
Okay, hindi mo ang party?
Yes!
Di ba sinabi mo last time nag-book ka ng Airbnb?
Ayaw niya naman eh.
Ayaw namin. Bakit?
Ha?
Bakit ka galit?
Ba't ka galit?
Don't be mad. Don't be mad. That's bad. Hindi ka malaban na si Kuya Chris. Daisy! 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 Daisy!
Dami na
program. Wala to sa program. Lasing na si Dave.
Gumawa ng program yan siya.
Lasing na si Dave.
Oo, tapos gumagawa ng program.
Si Kristen daw. Kahabang ba? Sino ko yung gusto niyo si Kristen kasalo?
Let's go, Christian!
Kala mo gwapo, 5'1" lang naman.
Oh my God!
Kayo?
Vincent!
For the first time sa television,
Open na siya.
may tanga mo sumahan.
Last na daw. Are you drunk?
Not.
Or are you giving me? Why are you giving me this?
He's drunk, he's
Because you
drunk.
deserve it.
You deserve it.
He's drunk, guys.
Tiyan mo din. So, okay, baliktad na ha. Paano na yung ano natin? Tama siya yung hep-hep taas na kamay.
Happy.
Hooray yung clap. Okay, so ano ha?
Hooray!
Ready na? Ano na?
Wala!
Ika, JB, mag-set up ka ng intro sales! Dahil dyan sa Friday, meron kang World Bank. Okay,
Ayun pala, mas matangkad ka sa akin. Bilang.
How's your water? How's your water?
Parang gusto ko magsayo ng Chanel.
Hayop. Let's cover yung mouth naman! Hoy, Idol, nasan yung 500? Idol, ilabas mo yung 500 yan, Erlyn. Masyado kang mapanlamang.
Baba ka.
Hindi ko na alam kung anong nangyayari.
Hindi ko na, lasing na ako, pero alam ko yun.
Sa akin may scope. Mom, I'm drinking Coke, okay?
Water po, tita.
Sabi niya sa akin before ako lumabas kanina, hindi daw ako pwedeng uminom.
Crazy. Pero okay. Minom siya, tita. Minom siya kahit super small.
Konti lang kasi hindi na kaya nito.
Days.
Wala nga sa akin!
You're so funny.
Nag-aawayan ko na yung 500 pesos. Okay. Lasing na sila, nag-aaway na sila lahat.
Exactly.
Nawawala yung 500 pesos.
Sikaw. Kap, okay ka ba, Kap?
Kap, are you still okay?
Okay pa si Kap. Company.
500 pesos, 500 pesos.
Dali, gawa ka na ng ruleta natin.
Nawawala po yung 500 pesos niya, darling. Okay, guys.
Hi everybody, welcome to our live stream. I'm host Camille and this
I'm
is
host Aloy.
correct. And we will be drinking some vodka. This kind of vodka. I don't know what is this. Okay.
What is it? How many grams? ML.
It's 100 Russian grain.
One is in color red.
38 was yung
38 po. Sino daw pinaka-pangka?
Pwede po mag-pop-ups.
Cheers everybody.
Joke.
320 ml.
Actually, Alo is not drinking at all. Alo is not drinking. Madaya siya, madaya.
Ay, mag-good girl.
Very good.
Ano yan? Bakit may jack dyan? Cheesecake na pala! Oh my gosh! SPD!
Wag! Nakikita ko yung graham.
Yung tita mong... yung tita mong laging umiinom ng Red Horse. Party people!
Coke.
Hindi nila alam kung yung umiinom. Mukhang Jack na may Coke pero Coke lang talaga siya. Everybody, you guys can see Daisy.
Sleeping! Crazy!
May Coke na yan. Sige na, may Coke.
Make up!
Coke lang yan. Sige na.
For cup. Hindi, go yan. Go. Kaya ni Cup. Go, Cup! Woo! Let's go!
Wala na sa yung 3 seconds, alo.
Alo. Please, alo, please. Alo! Please. Let's go! 1, 2, 3.
Hi guys! So this is the Ayana 5. Take two. Hi everyone! This is your host, Ilo. Hi guys! This is the end of our vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys again next week. Bye! Ayun na! Gago siya lang nakalabas. Tangina. Bakit naman iniwan mo kami sa ere?
Walang pipindot.
Sir JB, thank you
Importante, si JB nasa labas.
Oo, tama.
Application.
Sir JB, thank you napakatulong mo.
Guys, kumain na ako dito!
Oh, wait lang. May naririnig ako.
Otis, ikaw naman. Sir JB, thank you natulungan mo kami lahat, promise.
Gago na parang gusto kay drama to.
Wait lang yung heartbeat.
Yung magpa-brown na tas sasama
Sir JB, thank you natulungan mo kami, Sir JB, thank you.
Ang mahalagang may nakakaalam na nandito tayo lahat. Eh, nauna na siya sa booking niya.
Huwag kayo pipindot.
Paano yung ginagawa kanina?
Sumasakit yung
Sige,
panga ko.
dalawang kamay. Tas kung sino mawala yung itik.
Ayun na.
Hindi pa pwede naman bukas. Good luck sa new stage of your life.
Wow.
Halos ang ano?
Wala pa. Babakasyon ako. Guys, magtatagay daw kami out of nowhere.
Ako, lasing na. Enough na. Lasing na. I'm the mommy.
I still have gala later with Chloe, pero magtatagay daw kami. Anong oras natin?
1 a.m. Ay, 1 p.m.
Hindi, I mean, one hour na. Anong oras na ngayon?
It's 4:25.
Oh my gosh, 4:25. So probably, andun kami ng 8, tapos balik ako ng lunch?
Videoan mo yan. Videoan mo yan siya. Oh.
Guys, may mapakita ko sa inyo. Ang aking mini fan.
Yay!
From SLI, Jisoo Life.
Hindi, what brand?
Akari.
Oh, yes!
Akari. Wala siyang tunog, guys. Wala siyang
Is it rechargeable?
Yes, rechargeable siya.
Oh.
Pwede siyang ano yung tawag doon? Solar.
Solar?
Pwede siya naman mag-share. May speaker din to eh.
May camera din yan, di ba?
May webcam din siya.
Bye, Camille. Camille is booking.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for my entrance.
She's drunk. She's dead.
Correct.
Pero mas dead si Marga.
Umuwi na tayo. Inaantok na.
Yes.
Bye, guys. Bye. Bye, vlog. Bye, vlog. Is that rolling?
Yes.
Rolling.
Pinagulong talaga yung phone.
Say hi, say hi, say hi, say hi, say hi, say hi.
I'm gonna miss you.
Oy, Daisel.
Pangarap ko talaga